Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Italian design bathrooms epitomize a luxurious and sophisticated aesthetic, seamlessly blending functionality with artistic expression. Rooted in a rich cultural heritage, Italian design is renowned for its timeless elegance, meticulous craftsmanship, and an innate sense of style that transforms bathrooms into opulent retreats. Materials in Italian design bathrooms are chosen for their quality and aesthetic appeal. Marble, a quintessential element, graces surfaces with its natural veining and luxurious feel. From Carrara to Calicata, the choice of marble extends beyond countertops to flooring and even intricate mosaic patterns. Natural stone, glass, and polished metals further enhance the tactile and visual richness, creating a sumptuous atmosphere. Layout and spatial organization in Italian design bathrooms are carefully considered to maximize both functionality and aesthetics. Large mirrors are strategically placed to reflect natural light, enhancing the brightness of the space. Open and airy layouts, combined with expansive windows or skylights, create an inviting and luxurious ambience. Freestanding or wall-mounted fixtures contribute to a sense of openness and visual lightness. Lighting design is an art in Italian bathrooms. In addition to natural light, carefully curated artificial lighting is used to highlight key design elements. Chandeliers, wall sconces, and pendant lights are chosen for their ornate designs, adding a touch of glamour to the space. The warm glow of well-placed lighting enhances the overall atmosphere, creating a soothing and inviting environment. Decor in Italian design bathrooms is marked by a careful selection of accessories that enhance rather than overwhelm. Luxurious towels, aromatic candles, and tasteful artworks contribute to the sense of indulgence. Minimalism is embraced, with a focus on quality over quantity, allowing each element to enhance the overall aesthetic without competing for attention. Italian design bathrooms often incorporate innovative technology seamlessly into their traditional aesthetics. Smart toilets, advanced shower systems, and high-tech fixtures discreetly merge with the luxurious surroundings, providing modern conveniences without compromising the classic appeal. This blend of tradition and innovation is a hallmark of Italian design's adaptability to contemporary living. In essence, Italian design bathrooms encapsulate a refined and indulgent approach to space. Every element, from the choice of materials and colors to the layout and decor, reflects a commitment to luxury and an appreciation for enduring style. Italian bathrooms are not merely functional, they are immersive experiences that elevate daily rituals to moments of sheer opulence and sophistication.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!